Making a video, second attempt. Making a video on my new truck. I haven't put a video up in a little while, but here it is. Zoomed in. 1997 Dodge Ram. It's 1500. Four-wheel drive. It's got a 318. A lot of miles on it. It's in high idle right now. I just started up and drove it. But it's got a 3-inch lift. It's got a straight pipe, probably like straight off the cat converter. It's got an add leaf in the back. You can't see it, but 32-inch Wrangler Duratrax. It's got full Mopar tow package. There's crap in the bed, but see, it has a nice bed liner. Runs real good. Power everything's the SLT or Laramie. The interior got a lot of crap in it. I've had it for like 3 months. I just haven't made a video of it. Well, got a light up, but have my CV installed. It's got a manual transfer case. Pop the hood. Runs great. It's getting pretty good on gas too. Oh God. Excuse me. Got a lot of miles. 209,767. Or don't work. Everything else does. Alright, fog lights. Overdrive off. Radio works. Sounds good. Headliner's a little saggy. That's okay. I got rain deflectors or wind deflectors, whatever. It's got this thing. Works. All the lights work. I love this truck. Sounds real good too. Seatbelt on, take it for a drive. Seatbelt's sticky. There we go. So much gas. Woo! See, it's cold. That's why. See, not even at operating temp. Take it for a drive. I'm gonna rebuilt transmission. Brand new shocks up front, sway bar and links. I just did ball joints on it not too long ago. Got a Dana 44 front, Chrysler 9 1/4 rear. Ooh, rabbit. Chrysler 9 1/4 rear, limited slip front and rear differentials. Let's see here. What else? Got 410 gears. In my opinion, it rode better without shocks. Well, with shocks it didn't do a lot. They were old. But putting the lift kit on was really easy. No bolts were frozen in or anything. I think the biggest pain in the butt bolt there was the lower shock bolt on the rear driver side shock. Sorry, it's a little dark. But that bolt wouldn't come out at first. But got it out. Heated it up, then put the impact on it. This road's really bumpy. Sorry if you can't hear me. roll my window up. This truck runs awesome. Guess turning off into here, we'll do a little acceleration and get a view of the speedo and the tack. So it's gonna be to like 35, 40. Okay, full throttle. Well, that wasn't. Actually, that was like a little more than half throttle. Couldn't get my foot all the way down. My foot got caught on the side carpet thing. Can't see it. Can't see anything in my videos. So less 10. Here's on 40. It's got the auto night adjust mirrors, which is pretty cool. When you're driving along at night and someone gets behind you with their lights on, it'll automatically like turn blue, like dim itself. It's pretty cool. Yeah, we're driving along here. Ride's real good once you're on like nice road at a good speed. When you're going slow over bumps, ride's like duty. Hey, another Dodge. Oh no, see? Another Dodge. Just like mine. Dodge Ram. Yeah. Bye, Dodge. Yeah. But since I got new sway bar end links, that corner's really flat. Taking this corner at 40. Pretty good. Well, that's about all. AC, heat, everything. Everything works. Love this truck. I'm getting new 285 75 17 tires, which is like a 34.4 by 12, I think. It'll be good. We can get some nice mud terrains. Be awesome. But yeah, this is that's all. It's the end of the video now. Thanks for watching. Actually, I'm gonna speed down dirt road.